day after US President Donald Trump urged Iranian protesters to continue their protest and take over the institutions of the theocratic regime, while help is on its way, supporters backing the Iranian government held funeral procession for individuals who have been killed in the recent protests. Trucks carrying coffins moved through crowds of people, many displaying photos of Iran's Supreme Leader Ali Khamenei. US-based HRA-NA Rights Group said it had so far verified the deaths of 2,403 protesters and 147 government-affiliated individuals. Meanwhile, Trump declined to answer about what kind of help was he referring to.
Iran this morning that help is on the way for protesters. What did you mean by that? What kind of help?
You're going to have to figure that one out. I'm sorry.
Tehran has blamed Washington for fueling deadly and widespread protests. As fear escalates over US threat to attack Iran, reports of an anti-government protester, 26-year-old Irfan Soltani, who was arrested on January 8 during the demonstrations in West Tehran's Fardias, was sentenced to death. This comes as Iran's judiciary chief has pledged to fast-track trials for those arrested. Iran's Supreme Court Chief Justice said those who beheaded people or burned people in the streets should be tried and punished as soon as possible. Prosecutors say capital charges of Maharape or waging war against God will be pressed against the protesters. Internet will, however, remain suspended for at least 1 or 2 weeks more. Russia has also condemned what it called subversive external interference in Iran's internal politics and said US threats of new military strikes against the country were categorically unacceptable.
Certainly, when the US starts acting in the ways that neglect the very rules Americans themselves promoted, calling it globalization, and then abandoning their own principles, it suggests that our US colleagues appear unreliable when they behave in such a manner. They always bet on oil and other critical resources, focus solely on advancing their own interests, and use threats and direct pressure methods such as tariff partners of Iran, for instance, are subjected to 25% tariffs.
Наши американские коллеги, когда действуют подобным образом.
The US has issued advisory to its citizens to leave Iran. India too advised all citizens to leave Iran by available means of transport, including commercial flights. It has also cautioned Indian citizens and PIOs in Iran to exercise due caution, avoid areas of protest or demonstrations. The citizens have been urged to remain in contact with the Indian embassy in Iran and monitor local media reports for any developments. Indian citizens have been asked to keep their travel and immigration documents ready. With Mahashweta Lala, Bureau Report, India Today.